guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a tutorial on this hair. I am wearing hair from Asteria Hair. Worked with Asteria Hair for years, and y'all keep watching. Alright you guys, so I'm going to be starting off with installing this wig from Asteria Hair. And this is 26 inches, but it looks so much longer. I have to take out my gum because I ain't gonna be able to record and chew that gum. So this lace tint is so bomb. I use this on myself and I use it on my mom. So I have it in the color chocolate. I'm gonna go lightly on chocolate because it's a bit too dark for me. Chocolate is more for my mom's complexion, but one spray of this against the lace will do you justice. So just focus. So this is how it looks. It is HD, so it does like already kind of like blend, but yeah. So this is it without tint. Alright, so a couple sprays of that, and I'm just gonna blow dry it. Alright you guys, so this wig is like fully on my hairline. It is full perimeter. So I'm just shifting it around like this. So today I'm going to do a different method than what I usually do. I'm going to glue it down with the lace. And I'm just going to give that a little go and see what that be like. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and cut off around my ears. I'm just going to go over my hairline with the glue like a regular install. Like that. So once the first coat has dried clear, I will go ahead and apply my second coat. I'm going to just pull my cap down. I really don't even know what I'm doing, but I'm just gonna do what I see everybody else do. Alright you guys, so now I'm going to go ahead, like I swear, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know what made me decide. I just want to do something different for y'all. So, because the little hair reviews are going to take a break off of that. I got to give you guys different content, or all in one. I might as well just quit YouTube because the views and the subscribers are not adding up. And I have to take a break from doing hair videos. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hairline with Got To Be, and I'm going to put the melt band on for a few minutes, and then I'm going to get cracking. Alright y'all, so I'm going to leave this on. I'm getting a headache, but I'm going to leave this on for like 5 minutes. I'm going to come back once it's fully been dried. Alright you guys, I got to take this off. Like I literally feel like my head, I feel like I'm going to faint. I have to take it off from the side. Alrighty. I'm just going ahead and now cutting off that extra lace. I'm sorry if you guys hear Elmo in the background. Y'all know I'm a mommy now. Like, that's what come with it. I'm putting some more lace tint. Alright, so I've decided on doing the side part. So I went ahead and just scooped out my part. In the meantime, I will just perfect my parts. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and begin to carve out my baby hairs. So I zoom in so I can just begin to do my baby hairs. So I'm just going to take scissors and do my regular routine. I ended up making this side a little too thin for my baby hair preferences. See, I ended up overly plucking it, so I can't even pull. And I do always like to make my sideburns. Asteria sent me a new edge brush. I thank God. Ain't nothing like using a new edge brush. It's kind of like using clean brushes for your makeup. So I'm going to do this side first because this side is most important to me. And I just like to slowly brush them into place. Baby hair glue. My magic potion. Alright, so now I just put some of the product right here. And now I'm just going to brush and hold. Brush, hold. Brush, hold. Brush, hold. Brush, hold, and push those hairs, those long strings. Alright guys, so now I'm just going ahead and pressing out the top of my hair, but so far we are just about finished. I'm going to do like a little bit more melting, but we have reached the end. My hot comb is not hot because it don't unplug. So I've zoomed back just a bit so y'all can see the hair. I'm now gonna do like my final touches to it just to finish out the look. I need to put some mascara right over here. I am gonna take some makeup and do my part. I'm just gonna spray some hairspray on it. But before I do that, I did want to take my spray and some of my spritz, and I want to just make sure that this side is undetectable as possible. Alright, so now I'm just going to take some of my Got To Be, because I'm out of my hair spritz. So I'm going to take some Got To Be, spray up this area in particular, and then take some of my oil-free hair sheen. And I'm just gonna comb everything into place. I'm going to take some of my wig. This is not even oil shine. This is wig shine, which is claimed to be oil free. But I'm just spraying wig shine all over the hair. This is going to give it that pretty wet look without actually having to wet it. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see the length, but this is claimed to be 26 inch, but it fits way longer. This is supposed to be a 26, but it falls right above my hips, so it's full and it's long and it's cute. So this is the final look of the tutorial, and I am wearing, once again, hair from Asteria hair. I'm not sure on what pattern this is. I'll have everything listed in the description box on this hair, but y'all, okay, what is this, my cap? Don't embarrass me like that. Look at it, y'all. Listen, I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching.